ejebo eja enya ba bedru na Ghana fo no bi won sem bi omo ka no hu se Sedinam Tamakloe a wabai onkoda cells da na ye betia ne se ye free no the case nkwa na akokwash abusia de na manfo ni bi edwene no ene abam dayeso na Ghana fo so no ene abam live and colored court of appeal overturn high court ruling Accra high court ruling na ye gina so e the sentencing former master boss Sedinam Tamakloe sentenced to 10 years imprisonment for causing financial loss to the state. And court of appeal akwashe that judgment no. I say almost setting free. Now maybe you mo amwati ase no akere wa adwen e de amame. E wo comment section. I Penyah block media. Mess wa say any demo. Obe like video no da ma bro subscribe button say click notification on the latest update. Tam better wa adwen da amame e wo comment section. Oba so a no wa share for enya be ahwe no kan phone nala money send up na de ama o we USA o UK be send ska e de kofia. E nala and obia esubi fa send ska every fee from promo code Penyah TV no becha $20 amazing dollars obet na send ska akọ any other African country bi aso provided when USA or UK a very fast transaction only mo say Ghana ha na mo na ye onipa ba akọ a no otukwa akopim e wo USA na o se o ma Ghana ha na ara din e de Sedinam Tamakloe na mahama mamu no na ono ene Maslock boss Maslock it means microfinance and small loans center. Microfinance and small loans center is a yaban yumeku a do be ne say yema loan ketenkete to yema me for mu di edwai say bia what start business kuma bi na opeska bi e dia wura mu a Maslock e wo ho no say e bebo da kwan so eti eno ene Sedinam Tamakloe eto ano as a boss na mahama amammo ekwa we 2016 new government the government e ba ye no ehwa no say omuye nhwemu akọ mahama amamuom obia na owumbie omuye investigation akọ obia offices na omuye nko hu say da bi Maslock ho no no tamo na Sedinam Tamakloe ewo ho no sika sembi ekọ ye say ye humuye as amount nyina no e kabo mo e make 90 million new Ghana cedis ko to sika mu a 900 billion this sika we nyina no efa Mame Sedinam Tamakloe can efa nensase. On the 30th of January 2019, no, and almost started case official. Almost started said there be Mamu we wa born mine ka wa cause financial loss to the state. Enti omu din eko PM Accra High Court. Eye the criminal division of the Accra High Court. Omu go PM ho no mo. E say ye ni na asem wa cause financial loss to the state. Emma otemuafo panyin esa say any asem no. Ya twene baba ye nhwemu ni ade and it was in that same 2019 no ana odi petition ekoto otemuafo enim se court mesre me ho dodo me edika mama me kwan na me ntu kwan ko amano ne enko hwe me ho yare cause me yare et mesre mana ka mama me tu me krata na me empemeti na me ntu kwan free Ghana ha no mo enko amano ne enko hwe me ho yare otemuafo no tiasem no so e ma ne kwazo Kenya ubetimi atu kwan akohwe ya na emom no make sure say onko twantra afe ni akire e ho no ho to wa obesai aba enti e ma ne kwa ma no tu kwa enti 2019 ko na starting the case na e na permit no e ma no tu kwa ya twen ya 2020 wa ma 2021 wa ma 2022 ya wa ma ya twere no petition ya twira na se e bo apaye eni da ho e se oma e standard trial so it was in 2023 ni mo e no ga say there be ade amamu aye no washada ye say wonu anim say atemuo no ebebu upon internet or the petition by say man kwa no ntukwa no call ye no wayi taga wadwane entie ni na asem in absentia so she was tried in absentia and the court etra asem so on the lawyers e wo Ghana ha but ni bakuna asem fa no ho oni ha but then lawyers e ko dwitwa ginam e wo court e dwitwa eje no ba ye bu asem na in 2024 anybody say the mami odi for put on and form and about Sedinam Tamakloe what for ampa wa bo man ka why transactions be just say ye humu ye why yi sika bi I travel sika bi akọ account to be mu just say what this sika we man so fan ko bi no sika no what na so wa fan ko eduma de kro ye man sika say on fan ko ma me fo no wa fa sika anko just say otemuafo panyini at that time na ote asem no so her lordship Justice Efiasewa Asarebotwe our criminal division of the Accra High Court. Or no, and then in 2024, April mono, or Tina cases, no, no, see there be. Adia Mammy, I miss me about tiny be. but wadi maamefo na ewo Ghana ha no ntimi ma twa mfie bi e de ama no onkodam emfinsia edu na onfanya adwumaden emfansom oman konkon Ghana enti she was sentenced to 10 years imprisonment with hard labor. Say anytime bia obetu ni nan esi Ghana ha no bia ne de ensawam eye ne de ensawam eni ni fie cause ye bua no ye di nasem ama ebua bono ama Accra High Court abu ne fo ama ye sentence you to 10 years imprisonment with hard labor. Enu achi ana ma mi se na hwe me ma wo ka maji mi kura me ma wo e put on phone di nasem no wansi Ghana ha biem e ma na mo fo ka Sedinam Tamakloe do asem bra ne be start to je tell no cause wa bo mine ka you've caused financial loss to the state bra cause enye obi ana your witch hunting. Yeah, the assembly court of our lawyers ebua bon bra ne be start to je term wansi Ghana ha barabusa it was in just 2026 Tuesday 9th June 2026 and by Sedinam Tamakloe nkwa no we pm e wo Ghana no ba ye no o te hweche mu I say o yare o te hweche mu ne na nyina o te hweche mu e ma se be de ya say eh ne bi ka say ene maami e ye settings just wa sheda e de hweche no e be bra so that ye be hu ni mobo ye be granting amnesty just ye be kwahye ni case because e bi asida Kevin Taylor abra na arrest warrant e da no so say o tu na si Ghana ba bia wo ye fugitive no yeah dire kata du ko pie mu Supreme Court e ko kwahye case na against him no ye ko kwahye ye e di bi pen e dey because I ne Sedinam Tamakloe there the moment how ye din asma wa ma just NDC government e ba ye and all of a sudden yes Supreme Court judge yes appointed High Court judges be ne there wa ba no mean say oba abetwa ne case ni mu enye bibia o ma medem oba abetwam it from that knife in there Miss feelings bebebe na and by surrounding Sedinam Tamakloe arrival in Ghana here. Na ko be say oba be start in the J term no. But according on the 17th of June, na Ghana ha yentin nka bi. Ni yentin nka e ma bi mo twere ko criminal department e wo Ghana prisons and criminal department e wo Ghana say jail bay I mean prison bay and Sedinam Tamakloe order. Obi antima ama respond bi as e bia order cell we order cell eti alarm e blow ye e mo the Franklin Kujo e blow alarm ana say wa twile petition akọ prison be say o hwe Sedinam Tamakloe na o mu ehu no enti o wa hene fa enu achi no sabe full up statement o faith no chile okay obi atia na so e say Sedinam Tamakloe no she's under house arrest no kwan o yare e ma na Franklin Kujo e bia yare be ya because your person starting the term no enti yare na betwa so Ghana ha no mo ma yehu yentimi nsa so betumi da ko amana akwasa mo mayen cause ye pese e treat no cause that 10 years jail sentence no there e was so pass through ntimi mo mayen yare be na oyale or house arrest okay yate yare be ya mo mayen hu eno achi ana mahama the spokesperson e ye Felix Futuko achi e be ka say we tire say da bi o only house arrest bia.
Okay, please, as government spokesperson, frankly, I'll come to you. Hold on.
The government spokesperson,
you must know.
It's true.
You must know.
Listen, I'm government spokesperson.
Yes.
But I don't know where every prisoner in Ghana is. Do I? The persons who were convicted last week, if you ask me where they are, I don't know. Because the Ghana Prison Service makes that arrangement.
But this is a high-profile case, and I'm sure you are interested in it.
It is true. There are high-profile cases. There are high-profile prisoners. I don't know where they are. What I'm telling you is that she is in the custody of the lawfully accredited agency. You see, all of this is...
So because Sedinam Tamakloe is under house arrest, I am true. Only house arrest. Any time when they say only house arrest, or never. Only just one day, no. He is not entitled to know. Emma, alarm every day because Sedinam. Oh, fear or dinner home. On call cells via, on call cells via, later. And the buyer say, yes, he said that to me, grandpa, or and Sawam.
Where is she?
She's with us.
Where? Which
She's
prison?
in custody.
Which prison?
You see, that's a funny thing.
Police cell.
When I heard people say this, look, when a judge even sentence an offender, I don't think if in the evening you go to the judge and ask that judge, which prison is that person? You tell them, no. So far I'm concerned, I've given my judgment. You should be with the security people. Look, Evans, I can tell you, and I'm looking right into your eyes to tell you, Sedinam never went to any private place. From the day she came, she had been with us, and she's with us, and she's serving her term. If you want to visit her, you can write to the prison service. They will talk to her. If she's interested in you coming, she will let you come. But see, people make it look as if, look, if I go to a prison, if I visit.
But I must know which prison.
No, why should I mean, maybe in Ghana, we take telling people where somebody is serving lightly. Because in America and other well-developed countries, telling people that this kind of high-profile person is here can even lead to the death of that person. So it's for safety.
So it's
I say, our one prison.
We can categorically state that until yesterday, the 24th of June, Madam Sedinam Tamakloe was not in prison custody. And so from the 9th of June when she arrived to the 24th of June yesterday, she was not in prison custody. That is a matter of record. Again, she was only sent to prison custody, as I said, on the 24th of June, 15 clear days. And that was why the Minister for Interior could confidently come out yesterday. And so if you observe, following her return, the communication was by the Minister for Communication. And that had a lot of controversy. And that is why the media kept pressing. And yesterday, when she was admitted into prison custody, that was when the Minister for Interior came out. We can again confirm that she is in the female prison of a medium prison installation. But we are not going to put the name of the facility out. We are not going to put the name of the facility out for the following reasons. One, our intelligence is that she went in under protest because her assurance was that they were not going to have her go into prison custody and that they were going to work around the clock to have the decision overturned so that she will have her liberty. It is only because of the public pressure that the government has decided to deliver her into prison custody. Our intel is also that they have also assured her that whichever is earlier, be it the public pressure coming down or the decision of the court coming out, she will be made to go out. And so we do not want to put the name of the facility out just to prevent the situation where they will come out and say that because of her security, they are moving her from the facility. We are keeping an eye on the situation and will continue to update the general public on this matter. But we can tell you that she is in prison custody now. She was admitted yesterday and that she has been given assurances. Another assurance she has been given is that they are going to work around the clock to have the decision overturned. I am a lawyer and I don't know how it is going to be done. Government is the only one that can say so, but this is the assurance they have given her. But we want to sound a word of caution to government. The Ghanaian people are watching us very closely as political class. They are tired of the way and manner we protect or government protects their own when it comes to corruption and corruption-related cases. Ghanaians are tired. They can't have it anymore. We must be seen to be acting on corruption and not protecting our own. That has been the trend with this government. Since it assumed office, it filed nolle prosequi in cases in respect of cases which members of the NDC were standing trial. And now it is playing games with the conviction and the sentencing of Sedinam Tamakloe. Indeed, by preventing her from serving the prison term for the 15 days that she has been in Ghana, government has interfered with a lawful order of a court of competent jurisdiction, and that is contempt of court. And the government will only do that because Madam Sedinam Tamakloe is one of its own. And that has been the trend. That said, we want to state that we are going to keep an eye on the matter. We are going to keep an eye on the matter. The trend cannot be that anytime an NDC member falls foul of the law, the person is protected and the person is prevented from or secured from facing the law. We are keeping an eye on the matter. Thank you very much.
And look at the picture behind mama. Picture behind ma. Video behind ma media and say them to pass our prison but Ghana for an edge too. But you know, sir, that same time now you know. Before class OBPM Ghana on the 9th of June, Sarah didn't come from the because on the 10th of February 2026, and no man legal team ego PMO court of appeal. Eko make appealment to the 10 years jail sentence na the man no Accra High Court. I will team for her lordship Justice Efia Sewa Asare Edeman no. Say no come make appealment 2026 before crowd 5 months echi obeba no. No didn't come and lawyers I could make appeal. Emma no mote asem no so e born baba back and forth. So I was and 30th July 2026. Court of Appeal edum final ruling about one. Don't you say sentence na the man Sedinam Tamakloe there wasn't any due diligence. Yanye any proper investigation bia. It I still atimu na course one. And intention. The Court of Appeal agent to me so akwashe the 10 years jail sentence now criminal division of Accra High Court edema no and omoyi that 10 years jail sentence no every Sedinam Tamakloe I'm say am there or a free woman. Free woman. Jail term no 10 years no ya ante so ya kwashe ne nyina every so ama we abaye asem sebe obeto akere wa adwene e de ama me e wo comedy if you say at the end this government no Ghana ha the judicial system no omo corrupt no ana say ne kwan so mbra e le kan e wo court no mo ana Sedinam edibem obeto akere wa adwene e de ama me our comment section. I Penyah Block Media. Accra.